Hello and welcome to Timeless Tales Gen Z Hearts, a space where ancient stories stretch their wings and soar into our lives today. I'm Vibha, and in this episode, we meet a bird unlike any other. Not just a bird, a force, a protector, a seeker. Meet Garuda, the mighty eagle, the king of birds, and the mount of Lord Vishnu. Here's the long story cut short for you. Long ago, Garuda was born to Vinata, a celestial woman, and Kashyap, a sage. But right from the beginning, Garuda's life was unfair. His mother Vinata was tricked into servitude by her co-wife Kadru, the mother of snakes. As a result, Garuda was born into bondage. The powerful, majestic eagle, chained by fate. But Garuda did not stay grounded. He asked his mother why she served the serpents. When he found out, he said, "Tell me what I can do. I will earn your freedom." The serpent sneered, "Bring us the nectar of immortality, Amrit. Then your mother will be free." It was nearly impossible task. The Amrit was guarded by the Devas, traps, and celestial fire. But Garuda rose with strength, intelligence, and courage. He flew beyond fears, crossed heavens, outsmarted gods, and finally reached the pot of nectar. He could have taken a sip himself, but he didn't. He chose purpose over temptation. He brought the nectar to the serpents, not for their power, but for his mother's freedom. Moved by his selflessness, Lord Vishnu appeared and said, "Garuda, ride on my shoulders. Be my Vahana, my eternal companion." And so, the boy who was born a prisoner became the divine eagle who soars across the sky beside a god. Now let's pause here. Why does Garuda's flight matter to us? Because many of us feel bound in some way. Maybe you are burdened by expectations you did not choose, responsibilities that feel too heavy, systems that seem unfair, the feeling of being stuck while others fly free. But Garuda's story tells us you don't have to accept the cage. You can choose to rise, not by running away, but by rising with purpose for something bigger than yourself. So tell me, what does this mean? Garuda's journey teaches us three powerful truths. Responsibility can give you wings. Garuda did not say, "This is not my problem." He chose to act, and in doing so, became more powerful than ever. Power means little without purpose. Even after gaining the nectar of immortality, he did not drink it. He remembered why he fled. Not for himself, but for someone he loved. True freedom comes from clarity. Garuda did not just break the chains. He understood why they were there. That clarity gave his flight meaning. Now for you, dear listeners, you might feel small, powerless, like your voice doesn't matter. But remember, Garuda was not born free. He became free by choosing to rise. So next time life feels unfair or your goals seem unreachable, don't shrink. Don't give in. Ask yourself, what am I flying for? Who am I lifting with me? Because when your reasons are strong, your wings get stronger. This was Timeless Tales, Gen Z Hearts. I'm Vibha, and I hope Garuda's flight reminds you that even when you are born into struggle, you are never stuck. Next time, we bring you something more interesting, some more lessons. Until then, keep your purpose close and your spirit sky high. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to Vox Populi. Thank you.